That's literally what it is, a holder for that?
Yep.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. In this episode, we're working on the Rs5. If you guys are new to this channel, lightly tap the subscribe button. If you guys enjoy the content, smash that like button. In the previous episode, I left you guys off on the fact of saying that the front fenders are gonna be painted. Here's one front fender we got painted, and we really didn't need to get this painted, but we went ahead and we told the painter, might as well just paint the whole entire thing. What we needed to get painted was this right here, and this behind here, and this under here, basically a whole cut in. But since the entire fender is painted, we might as well just leave it like this, and we'll see. We'll paint the rest of the car according to this color. This is the factory color, LY9K or something like that. That's the factory code. But yeah, it looks great. We're gonna go ahead and put these on, set the gaps on these perfectly, and then continue working on the car. The reason why we do this is because it's just a lot less work at the paint shop. We don't have to take apart the fenders. We don't have to paint this inside. You know, the fenders are on, bumpers both come off. We paint the bumpers and paint the entire chassis of the vehicle. So let's go put these on. Well, bam, got the fender on. This side is a little more difficult because it has the windshield washer reservoir here. So we have to pull the wheel off. Got this gap just looking absolutely perfect, like on the money. So we're excited about that. We're gonna go ahead and set the other gap on the other side. And then, yeah, let's continue working on the vehicle. I think we might actually get the front and rear bumper painted as well, and the door. That way we can assemble all that stuff. It's literally gonna de-stress us like crazy when it comes to the paint work. So yeah, let's continue putting on the other fender. So we're dropping these rocker panels, side skirts off for paint. Why? Because like I said earlier in the video, we're gonna go ahead and debrief us, you know, from all the work, from all the parts all over the place. We're dropping the front and rear bumper off. We're gonna assemble those so it'll be totally complete. That's a lot of parts that go on the front and rear bumper. And then we're gonna drop the mirror cover off. We're gonna get the mirror complete. And then maybe door handle, but I'm not sure if I can find that somewhere. But both rocker panels are gonna be painted. We have to take off this trim piece, and we have to take off another trim piece behind here, which looks like this. And it was plastic melted onto here, so it's kind of dumb. There's no other way to take off this trim piece, and it's black, and we don't want to paint it because it's supposed to be like a flat black, and this is supposed to be like a black with some metallic. So that's one quarter panel basically ready. We have to take off this little piece right here, and then we're gonna, or quarter panel, rocker panel, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop everything off for paint. So stay tuned for that. Once it comes back, I guess we're gonna assemble the front bumper and rear bumper.
Basically all that's left is that.
And technically the front end's all painted up and complete. We're not gonna really have much to paint at the paint shop once we get there, and it's gonna be easier for our painter to get it all done in one day. If we can get it all done in one day, cut-ins, both quarter panels, and both quarter panels, door, and what else? That's it. He has to paint. Oh, both quarter panels, both doors, and that's it. That's actually pretty easy for one day, so
stress-free.
Stress-free. So guys, it has been a couple of days. We got the parts back from the paint shop. We got both bumpers and two side skirts painted. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble all that. In the last sequence of this video, you guys saw us disassembling the rocker panels and the side skirts. We're gonna go ahead and assemble everything back together and set that stuff aside. We might actually go ahead and throw the entire front end together because everything is ready for the front end. So if we're basically fortunate enough to have no parts missing, no pieces missing, and this front bumper to come together all fully complete with all sensors, then we're gonna go ahead and throw it on for good. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Look at this thing. Bumper, rear bumper looks beautiful. Front bumper, I tossed the grill in just so the front bumper wouldn't fold because it's, you know, it's a very thin little piece right here. And then this chrome grill is gonna get swapped out with that, or the emblem is gonna get swapped out with that black one. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff. Let's get to assembling. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, boys. Gotta get all this stuff done.
That's literally what it is? A holder for that?
Yep.
I wonder what it does.
That's this on it right here. This bumper is fully complete. How's it look? Wow. This one's all done. All sensors, everything plugged in. Everything new besides these right here. So these two pieces, and on the other side is what's original from the original bumper. They weren't damaged, but every single piece here is new. All the inserts, everything. Oh, and sensors are from original bumper. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop over to the front bumper. The front bumper is a little more complicated than the rear. And see if we got everything. now we're assembling the side skirts. A little bit of bad news, since there was so much parts to this vehicle. I'm not sure if I'm missing the whole entire, what is that, passenger side of this assembly, or we didn't order it. I'm not sure, because we have a couple of extra pieces. We have this extra piece, so I'm not sure. I gotta go look through the part numbers, but it's whatever. We still got time to order the parts. They should be here quick. Let's go ahead and reassemble this sucker. Camera a little bit. Have you heard that one? From beginning this episode, thinking that we're gonna get this thing seam sealed, we had a little change of plans, but the change of plans has been a beautiful change of plans. We got the front bumper basically mocked up and gaps set perfectly. If you guys look at all the gaps, so the bumper needs to go like that, but if you guys look at all the gaps here, they're just freaking perfect. It's like literally matching up like OEM. And I pulled this front frame rail out, everything's lining up, it's looking beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and dig around for these parts for the other side. I think I have them, I'm pretty sure. I just gotta dig, like literally just been boxes and boxes of parts. But Fender's front end is painted, rocker panels are painted and assembled. Basically what we're gonna do is paint the door, assemble the door, but in the next episode, and then next episode alongside with that door being assembled and painted, we're gonna go ahead and do the final body work and final seam seal to the vehicle. That way we can drive this thing to paint. That's why we got that seat in there, so we can drive this thing to paint. We're gonna go ahead and get a trip permit, put the door together, probably put the mirror on, and then put the tail lights in, button everything up back there, and drive this thing down to paint. Get this 2 quarter panels, that door painted. Both quarter panels of that door, I think, is all we really have left.
Half a car.
Yeah, it's not that much to have left.
Even less.
Yeah, even way less. Get all that painted, come back here and take a look at everything painted, because this thing right now is about 75-80% complete, so I'm pretty excited about that. But anyways, thank you guys once again for tuning in and staying to the very end. The next video on this channel is going to be regarding the Lambo. We got our interior back from LND, so we're really excited about that. We're going to put together the interior, get that thing on the road and give it a good road spin. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we don't run into any issues. But anyways, follow me on Instagram at BYBTim. Follow Ed, the editor, at BYBEd. I'm gonna leave you guys off right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And the next one is the best one. Peace out, boys.